Mheshimiwa Rais, welcome to campus. Here we stuck between I need to save money and you only live once. Because the safest way to double your money is to fold it over, put it in your pocket. Here we find friends for whom our empty pockets do not matter. Money is like the sixth sense, and you cannot make use of the other five without it. Imagine the only exercise we do here is running. Yes, running out of money.
My number Buddha boss to my kid, na tumepia na ya kutoa to my kid.
Mheshimiwa Rais, people say nothing is impossible, but we do nothing every day, and doing nothing is hard. You never know when you are done. Mheshimiwa, light travels faster than sound, and that is why some people appear bright until you hear them speak. We don't think inside the box, and we don't think outside the box. We don't know even where the box is. Okay, maybe we tell comrades the brain is an app so that we may start using it. We may look like having deep thoughts, but 99% of the time we think about what we are going to eat later. A way a girl can get into my heart is buying me food, make me food, and be my food. Mheshimiwa Rais, we thank your administration for supporting technology, but comrades won't be impressed with the technology until we can download food. For I finally realized that people are prisoners of their phones. That is why it is called a cell phone. Our phones fall, we panic. Our friends fall, we laugh. Mheshimiwa Rais, when you visit me here in the university, please do not treat with a girl. Because 5 minutes of conversation, she will be thinking of her future with you and the name of your kids. Heartbreaks are all over. Fortunately, Mheshimiwa Rais, for every girl with a broken heart, there is a boy with a glue gun. And we believe you are one heartbreak close to being with the person you are meant to be with. Mheshimiwa Rais, so we advise girls to follow their heart, but take their brains with them. For a man's sexual organ is a penis, and woman's sexual organ is a brain. Here in campus, Mheshimiwa Rais, we are sick of following our dreams, man. We're just going to ask where they are going and hook up with them later. For the future is shaped by our dreams. So we stop wasting our time and go to sleep. We don't worry if plan A fails. There are 25 more letters in the alphabet. When nothing is going right, we go left. Mheshimiwa Rais, we don't trust children. They are here to replace us. So we love asking kids what they want to be when they grow up, because we are still looking for ideas. For we always wanted to be somebody, but we realized we should have been more specific. Mheshimiwa Rais, the human brain is amazing. It functions 24 hours a day, from the time we were born, and only stops when we take exams. What happened in the exam room? Tick-tock, mind block, pen stop, eye pop, full shock, jaw drop, time up, no luck. Dear mathematics, please grow up and solve your own problems. I am tired of solving them for you. Mheshimiwa Rais, I stopped understanding mathematics when alphabets decided to get involved. During a test, Mheshimiwa, people look up for inspiration, down in desperation, and left and right for information. Lecturers call it cheating, we call it teamwork. It is better to fail than to cheat, but it is better to cheat than to repeat. To me, cheating in exam is a talent, and I'm just talented. For cheating is not a mistake, being caught is a mistake. These exams are like girlfriends, difficult to understand. Too many questions, more explanation needed. Result is always fail. Our attitude in exam, they give us questions we don't understand, and we give them answers they cannot understand. Themselves too cannot determine its correctness. We will not let exams, results decide our fate. Comrades, power!